With just 4 months and few days to go for UPSC Prelims 2025, it's time for you to shift your focus and gear up for targeted and structured preparation. And to help you excel, Level Up IAS is coming with its Target Prelims program, which is a course which will cover all the critical areas of the syllabus and will give you the edge you need to succeed. Now, this program has in-depth coverage of current affairs topics across the key subjects which are mentioned in the syllabus of prelims, like polity, economy, that will cover economic survey and budget, environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change, science and technology, and other than that, international mapping and international bodies also that are covered in other parts of the syllabus. Now, before getting into the detail, let's just do a quick analysis of the number of questions that have come in past 3 years from the components of science and tech, environment and current affairs. Now, talking about 2022 UPSC prelims exam, in GS1 around 14 questions were from science and technology, 35 questions were from environment and also the current affairs related to them, and around 9 to 10 questions of economy based on current affairs were there. Even in 2022, the history questions also had the current affairs part. In 2023 prelims exam, around 50 questions were from environment, science and tech and current affairs, and other the miscellaneous topics that also gets covered in the current affairs portion. In GS1 in 2024 UPSC exam, that is the last year the exam that was being held, in the prelims exam 20 questions were directly from the current affairs. Science and Tech 13 questions, environment around 15 questions were there. So again around 50 questions were from these three components. So after all this analysis, आपको ये तो समझ आ गया होगा कि half of the paper and more than like half of the paper, around 60 questions, अगर आप इस कोर्स को कर लेते हो और उसके अंदर ये components को अच्छे से cover कर लेते हो, तो cut off clear करना is not going to be tough for you. If you study environment from Santosh sir, you will find questions like there was this question in 2024 exam that organisms such as frog hoppers, cicadas and pond skaters, are they birds, fish, insects or reptiles? This type of questions, they are going to be very easy for you to tackle because in environment classes and specifically in the current affairs sessions of that, the topics like species and news, they have been systematically covered right from the start of the course. And these classes, they ensure you're well prepared to handle such questions with confidence. Revision and memorizing the facts are also taken care of in the class. Sir, make sure that if he's covering the species, you remember in the class, you memorize in the class, और उसका revision सबसे पहला तो आपका class में ही हो जाता है. उसके बाद there are these weekly tests, that is the pre-samiksha test that is covered in this course, and उसके बाद we also have the special part which is the RTFQ, which is revising through 500 question. So environment से related आपको 500 questions will be discussed in the class, और उसके अंदर जो भी आपको class में पढ़ाया जा रहा है, that the questions based on that are also covered. इसके साथ साथ हर टॉपिक के साथ PYQs भी रिलेटेड उसमें मेंशन होते हैं. आपको जो हैंड आउट मिलेगा, सर मेक्स हिज ओन हैंड आउट्स एंड दे आर सो कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, आपको कहीं और से किसी और सोर्स को पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ही टेक्स केयर ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल विच इज देयर पास्ट 1 year, एंड ऑल्सो बिफोर दैट ऑल्सो द स्टैटिक पोर्शन जो इन्वायरमेंट का रहता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो कवर्ड इन कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैनर. सो योर इन्वायरमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी, climate change and every factor which is there in the syllabus related to environment, ecology, climate change, it is getting covered in the course. Now talking about economics वैसे तो उसका static information होना is very important. But इसके अलावा भी you will see there are questions that UPSC asks which are related to the current affairs also. Economic survey, budget से related कुछ topics रहते हैं जिसको UPSC pick करता है and they ask questions related to that. So such kind of questions are also covered in Santosh sir's current affairs classes. For economy also, current affairs are covered comprehensively along with the static information which is related to it. So you won't find it anywhere else that you're doing the current affairs, along with it you're covering the static portion also. So that is taken care of in the classes. Now if we talk about science and technology, science and tech mein foundation is built very strong if you are doing target prelims program, because science and tech static plus current affairs, this component is added in the program. So if you see a news which is for example related to SpaceX mission, the space docking experiment, आप recently इसके बारे में current affairs के source से पढ़ेंगे, so you would be studying that PSLV C60 is launching the mission. इसके अलावा you will be doing the detail also. But क्या आप उसमें ये पढ़ेंगे that what is PSLV? PSLV के कितने stages हैं? The details related to PSLV, GSLV, SLV, क्या उसके बारे में भी आप पढ़ेंगे? No, usually it is not covered. But in Santosh sir's classes, he makes sure that science and tech में किसी भी news से पहले he covers the static portion which is related to space, which is related to any other topic that he is going to cover. तो science and tech में you will be 100% sure जब आप exam में question देखेंगे कि I am prepared with science and technology and if any question comes, I will be able to do that question with the knowledge that I have. बिकॉज जितना भी नॉलेज वो क्लास में आपको किसी भी न्यूज़ से रिलेटेड आपको देंगे, उसके साथ साथ उनके लेक्चर्स इतने ज़्यादा डिटेल्ड होते हैं, इतने ज़्यादा नॉलेजेबल होते हैं कि अगर उन्होंने किसी भी टॉपिक को स्पेसिफिकली कवर ना भी किया हो, बट द नॉलेज दैट यू हैव गेन्ड while sitting in the class, you will be able to attempt that question and attempt it correctly. So the teaching method is such that you understand every technical term which is associated with the news, and that is required to be studied for this exam, seeing the unpredictability of the questions that come. Then comes the questions which are based on schemes. 2024 के यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम में there were 3 direct questions which were from schemes. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पीएम सुरक्षित मातृत्व अभियान, पीएम श्रम योगी मानधन योजना. तो अगर आपके करंट अफेयर क्लासेस में, आपके टारगेट प्रीलिम्स के क्लासेस में ये स्कीम्स कवर होती है, नॉट ओनली दीज, बिकॉज यू कैन प्रिडिक्ट कि इस साल कौन से स्कीम्स आने वाले हैं. सो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू कवर द स्कीम्स विच आर देयर. 2024 में 3 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए स्कीम से. यू नेवर नो, क्या पता 5 पूछ लिए जाए या फिर एक भी ना पूछा जाए, बट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ बिकॉज यू कैन बी लूजिंग आउट ऑन दीज मार्क्स एज वेल. उसके लिए भी आपको प्रिपेयर किया जाएगा. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द रीजन इन न्यूज, उस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं, 5 से 6 क्वेश्चंस दे आर डायरेक्टली आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द प्लेसेस इन न्यूज. हर साल ऐसा रहता है, and they also get covered in detailed manner in class. There's this detailed coverage of international organizations, treaties and geopolitically important regions along with the precise map based knowledge. इसका अलग से क्लास होता है, you get अलग से handouts also for that. So आपके लिए रिवाइज कर पाना in a structured manner gets very easy. There is component of current affairs in history as well, as I discussed earlier. In 2022 there was this question on statue of Ramanuja which was inaugurated at that time by PM. Then there was this question on Somnath टेम्पल. अब वो करंट अफेयर्स से ही लिया गया था बिकॉज सोमनाथ टेम्पल पे क्वेश्चन तो पूछा गया, बट वो पिक किया गया करंट अफेयर से. So if you're not doing current affairs, if you're not doing comprehensive coverage of current affairs, you wouldn't be able to cover the question. So I think I have talked about all the important subjects that will be there in target prelims और आपके लिए क्या क्या करना important है और क्या आपके लिए fruitful result ला सकता है. So this target prelims program that will be taken up by Santosh sir, he will be discussing everything that will make you exam ready. अब now you will be asking, हम इतना सारा रिवाइज कैसे करेंगे, हमको ये सब याद कैसे रहेगा, बिकॉज बहुत सारी फैक्चुअल इन्फॉर्मेशन भी रहती है. अब उसके लिए भी देयर इज अ कॉम्पोनेंट इन दिस. एंड आपका रिविजन, एक तो मैंने बताया पहले ही आपको कि क्लास में ही सर मेक श्योर दैट यू मेमोराइज द इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्चुअल इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट इज देयर इन द कंटेंट. उसके अलावा देयर विल बी वीकली टेस्ट ऑल्सो. द प्री समीक्षा इज इंक्लूडेड इन दिस टारगेट प्रीलिम्स प्रोग्राम. तो एवरी वीक यू विल बी गिविंग टेस्ट जहाँ पर आप खुद श्योर हो जाएंगे जब आप टेस्ट को अटेम्प्ट करेंगे कि आपको वो इन्फॉर्मेशन याद है या नहीं है. इसके अलावा वी हैव RTFQ ऑल्सो विच इज रिविजन थ्रू 500 क्वेश्चन. दैट इज द अल्टीमेट रिविजन प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर यू, बिकॉज हर सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड अगर आप 500 क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं तो यू विल बी मेकिंग श्योर कि आपको हर चीज याद हो जाए. अब 100% याद होना हो वो दैट इज अप टू अस ओनली कि आप कितनी बार उसको रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. बट हियर वी आर गिविंग यू अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कैन टेस्ट योर नॉलेज कि आपने जितना याद किया है यू आर एबल टू mug up that, you are able to retain that in your mind. So with all this, the scope of forgetting the facts or not understanding a concept, it becomes negligible. So don't just prepare to clear the cutoff and the stage of the exam. Join the target prelims program at Level Up IAS. Thank you.